today we'll talk about how can you enable likes notifications on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just go down, click here in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click on notifications. Then you come to next step here, you click here on Threads and replace here. So then you just go down here, you click here on additional options in system settings. Then you come to next step here, click on notification categories. So you come here to likes, you click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's main likes notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.